Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming app version and granting permissions so images can be accessed and applied. Open the app and tap Create New Set. Choose 2 images now, one for home and one for lock screen, and pick orientation. Once done, crop each image to the visible frame. Make sure to preserve focal points. Tap Preview to verify alignment. This prevents miscrops later. If the app asks for Wallpaper Picker access, accept it. This lets the system apply changes seamlessly. Now configure how the 2 wallpapers switch. Choose Swipe for manual control, Timer for automatic changes, or app-triggered actions for context-aware swaps. Once selected, set the duration and crossfade percentage so transitions feel natural, lower % for snappier flips. Make sure to tweak parallax or motion effects. Heavy motion can crop or shift images unexpectedly. If you want different wallpapers by time, set schedules and per app exceptions. This optimizes battery and phone performance while keeping visuals tidy. Apply the wallpaper set and inspect both lock and home screens immediately. Use Preview and walk through transitions to confirm placement. Once satisfied, tap Save and set as default. Make sure the system launcher didn't override your choice. If alignment looks off, reopen the crop tool and reduce parallax or apply 0. 5x zoom to center the subject. If wallpapers fail to change, restart the launcher or clear app cache. If that fails, reinstall the app. This usually resolves persistence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.